Hello everyone, I hope you're doing fine today, and if you're watching this video then we are going to create super easy QR codes without any help of any website or any third-party app. It's really easy, and normally the QR codes we get from the websites usually get expired after a few months or days and they ask you to pay the charges or pay the amount, which is not good. This is absolutely free. I have an API key over here that you need to copy and paste in your formula, and simply use an easy Microsoft Excel function to create your own QR codes of any website. Like as you see on the screen as well, that I have created multiple QR codes for Bing.com, LinkedIn.com and Facebook.com, etc, etc. So let's not just now waste more time and get to the computer screen and start doing it. I've copied an API key and I'll edit the cell, I'll paste it here, and there is a angle bracket at the end of this formula or a link, your data here. All you need is to link your website source over here. I'll use inverted commas and function, and I'll put B2 or whatever your source is. If it's in B3 or B4, you can use the same. Alright, B2, and I'll use AND function as well, and then inverted commas, and then I'll close it. Okay, so I'll replace this thing with an image function of Microsoft Excel. I'll select it with the tab button. Okay, and I'll close the parentheses and press enter. Boom, here is the QR code. You can pause the video and scan it as well, and it works. It's very easy and it saves times and it does not get expired. I'll put the API key in the description of this video. If you like the video, then give it a big thumbs up and tell me in which part of the world you're watching this. Have a great day. Bye bye.